just going to be installing this wig. This particular unit is a 24-inch Brazilian deep curly unit, and as you guys can see, it looks so good. Okay, look at my hang time. This hair is so freaking beautiful, and I literally installed it in like 30 minutes. Like, I'm really getting good at this shit.
Remember when I told you I loved you? You said that I'll never need another. I ain't never felt this way inside. I'm just grateful every day you're mine. Remember when I told you I loved you? You said that I'll never need another. I ain't never felt this way inside. I'm just grateful every day you're mine. Feels so nice.
This pretty much wraps up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to shoot thumbs video up, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next.